Well, hi everybody. Welcome to week 5. You're almost done with this course, and it seems like we just got started, but oh, the work you've done, so it's very much appreciated. This week in week 5, you'll have a couple of things to complete. The IHI PS 104 the module on teamwork and communication is due, and I think you'll find that one a helpful one as well. A lot of you have really commented about IHI PS 105's teamwork one being somewhat of an eye-opener, and I'm glad you found good out of that there. Also, your professional transition paper is due this week. Please, if you have any questions about any part of that, formatting, whatever, get in touch with me. Email me, text me, let me know if you have some questions on that. Now, this week's discussion board I had said a couple of weeks ago was supposed to be two parts, but I'm realizing with all the work that you had to do, I am eliminating one of them, partly because of the workload and partly because it's a little bit duplicative of one you did way back in week 2. So the one that does remain is going to be one that requires a little bit of thought from you on that, a little bit of introspection on that, because it's going to present a scenario. And it kind of steps outside of the class a little bit, but it's designed to help bring the new levels of professional information that you've learned in this class into play as you respond to a question that is very typical in everyday nursing practice. Now, next week, week 6, our final week of class, is going to be solely devoted to working on and completing the mission, vision, and core values project. So you want to be watching next week's video email because I'll have some important information to go with that and some opportunities for you to send little chunks to me in advance if you'd like to have another set of eyes looking on it before you make that final submission there. So make sure you watch next week's video email as well. Also, if you haven't already, check your email, and if you don't see it in your email, check your spam folder. Look for the information regarding Nursing 305, Trends in Professional Nursing. It's another course that you and I will have together there, and I'm looking forward to it because it's really an integration of genetics, genomics, and nursing informatics, how it's affected our practice, and looking at trends for its impact on our practice, which are going to greatly change the future of our nursing practice. So, be watching for that and let me know if you have any questions on that. That email also did include a book list, and one of the things I'm encouraging is the textbook. If you purchase it, it's your choice, but it's a very expensive one, and I'm encouraging you, if you don't think you'd want to purchase it, you can rent it, and that's from the bookstore or a lot of places online for a lot less money there. And if you decide you really like it, you can always decide to purchase it there. So lots of things happening yet on this 5th week. One thing left to do in the 6th week, which is why we kind of eased that last week up a little bit to work solely on that project. You guys have been fantastic for asking questions. I appreciate them. Some communication has really stepped up this week because there's lots of things going on in people's lives. And that's really the key thing. Communicate with your instructors and we'll work with you. Meanwhile, have a good week, and again, let me know if you have questions. God bless you all.